So while Scarlett is in the hospital and we're getting, you know, everything squared away, it's normally my time that I'm by myself and I wait for them to get out of the hospital. I go and get things done. So I'm here at Truck and Auto Accessories, getting some things done to, as Scarlett says, Daddy's truck, but it's really Scarlett's truck because she doesn't let me go anywhere without her unless I'm in it. So today we're gonna go ahead and get a set of tonneau cover put on. We're also gonna get some new lights for the front. We're gonna do headlights and fog lamps and LEDs because driving at night, we haven't done it in a long trip, but the halogen lights suck. So we're gonna go ahead and get LEDs with that too. We're starting our installation here in the back, which I thought was cool. They told me that they have drains down the channel that'll direct the water out. When you're relying on gaskets, you can't fully expect it to stay totally dry, but at least it gives it a place to put it. So that's kind of neat. So we'll check back here in a little bit. We'll surprise Scarlett with some new stuff.
Take that little latch off you.
Look at this. Scarlett's walker and everything's now going to be able to be dried in. Got the soft open. There. Then we can latch it up right here if we ever need to actually carry something back here, like the dogs or something.
Leave it like that. Just snap these in and they'll tie it off.
Good deal.
You want to leave it up?
For now, yeah, I'll leave it up for now.
Like it is?
Yeah. So some of y'all know we took a trip out to Arkansas and then we did Utah. We don't know what car we're going to take this year. We're probably going to take this truck. And so y'all remember the late night drives that we did to Utah and to Arkansas. They weren't that great. We had the Mini, so we're gonna go ahead and update the lights on the fog lamps. And we're doing the low beams, right?
Low beams and fog lamps.
Low beams and fog lamps. We're gonna see what difference that makes, see if that'll give us some good driving in the mountains for Thanksgiving. So some of y'all are probably asking, Anthony, you normally do, you know, you can do this type of work, you can do headlights, stuff like that. Yeah, I can. But when I put in LED headlights, they have these gaskets. I'm always fighting with them. I hate it. And they always end up failing in less than a year. These come with a warranty. I've reached that point where time is more important. So these guys are professionals. We're going to have them put it up. That way we can get to Scarlett and get this all shown to her. So I love seeing her smile because she cracks up when she's in the back of the bed. And so if we can keep it dry for her and we can keep all her walker and everything dry, it's going to be pretty awesome. I love the chip design. So again, these guys are really good. So show you how easy it is. We got clip, one-handed. That fully seated. I think this is gonna go good. So babe, when I tell you I came to get a tonneau cover and I didn't tell you about this part, my bad. They are in, you can't even tell. These you can tell a little bit because they're out there to see. Man, she's dirty. But I don't even think I was here an hour. But this is why if you're gonna have something done, have it done by people that know what they're doing, and they've done it quite a bit. So this is gonna be our first look. Oh. I'm sure how bright you can see that. And then you've got over here that should be fun. Look.
Oh man, look at that. Looks good.
Open token. Let,
I don't know, worry about your step or her walker getting stolen. Woo!
close it. Folds right underneath.
Sweet. That's cool.
Good purchase?
Yeah.
You heard it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.